please help us welcome our birthday boy with a festive round of applause, the Honorable Governor Nino Sotero L. Uy Jr.
Daghan kaayong salamat, Easy, Res, sa tanan, daghan kaayong salamat sa mantawan ninyong gibuhat sa kuha. Anyway,
wala lagi naapila tong video, guys.
from the bottom of my heart, daghan kaayong salamat sa inyong tanan. I never expected all of this. Karong gabi una. Christmas party man di ba yung birthday? Sunod ang atong party kanang layo na sa akong birthday, January na. Bitaw, mag-speech na ko ha. Kay, para wala na drama. Okay, ginoo ko. Sige, tama na ha. Mayong gabi sa inyong tanan. Mayong gabi once again, and Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Christmas is not just a festive celebration, but also a perfect occasion for all of us to reflect on the values that bind us as public servants and as a community. This year has been a journey marked by challenges and triumphs. And as we stand together, I am reminded of the strength and resilience that define the spirit of Davao Oriental. In the early half of this year, when I was tasked to assume the role of the chief executive of our province, our hearts were marked with immense sadness as we have lost not just a great leader, but a loving and dedicated mother to all, our late beloved Governor Corazon T. Nunez Malanyaon. Niining unang Pasko nga wala na iyang pisikal nga presensya kauban nato. Gusto na kong ihalad ang pipila ka mga segundo karong gabi una aron sa paghinumdum ug sa pagpadayon sa pagpasidungog sa iyang kabilin. Let us pause as we silently dedicate our personal prayers for her eternal repose. Reflecting on the years that has been, we acknowledge the challenges we faced and the hurdles we overcame. Hand in hand, we navigated through the difficulties, emerging stronger, more united, and triumphant. Our province shined bright and was victorious with our first historic win in the prestigious 2023 Galingpok Awards for our outstanding and innovative local governance program, which is the Happy Home. And just recently, we also bagged the Gawad Kalasag Award as we were hailed as top one or first placer beyond compliant by the National Disaster Risk Reduction and Management Council. These victories are a testament to our united efforts and dedication to our sustainable, inclusive, and steadfast public service. This Christmas season, as you may have noticed, our main Capitol building stands proudly dressed as a massive Christmas gift. It serves as a powerful reminder that we, as public servants, are entrusted with the responsibility of being bearers of gifts, not just physical presents, but gifts of unity, happiness, and good tidings to every Oriental Davaoeños we proudly serve. More than being a physical structure, this government building stands as a visual reminder of our commitment to spreading joy and fostering a sense of togetherness among our people. You might have also seen and experienced the transformation that has taken place around the Capitol complex. Despite the constraints of budget and time, we have endeavored to infuse the vibrant spirit of this season and came up with one of the best month-long holiday celebrations with our Christmas at the Capitol. From the colorful Yuletide decorations to the lively holiday market and the smiles to the faces and joy to the hearts, efforts have undeniably brought smiles to the faces of our constituents. Since we opened these festivities on December 1, our aim has been to see our community come together, united in the celebration of love, peace, and harmony as one people of Davao Oriental. Taliwala sa atong kahinam o kabisi ni ining panahuna, giawhag ko usab ang matag usa kanato sa paggahin og panahon sa pagpamalandong sa mas laom nga kahulugan sa Pasko. Labaw sa mga maanindot nga mga dekorasyon og pagbayloay og mga regalo, ang tinuod nga diwa sa Pasko anaa sa walay kinutuban nga gugma ni Hesukristo. Usa ka gugma nga labaw pa sa bisan unsang material nga gasa ni ining kalibutana. Isip mga public servants, atong tugutan ang gugma ni Jesus nga makita sa atong mga lihok, mga pulong ug mga buhat. Himuon nato kini nga tinubdan sa inspirasyon alang ni adtong mga nagpalibot kanato. In a world often clouded by challenges and uncertainties, the unwavering love of Christ serves as a beacon that guides us through the darkest of times. Karong Pasko, paningkamutan nato nga masundog ang maong gugma diha sa atong pakig-uban sa matag usa dinhi sa atong pagserbisyo sa katawhan sa Davao Oriental. Maghiusa kita sa paghimo og usa ka lig-on nga komunidad nga nag-ambit sa mga panalangin nga atong nadawat ug magpakaylap sa mensahe sa paglaom ug kalipay. Let us embrace this season as an opportunity to cultivate genuine love, compassion, and unity in our province. I thank and I commend each one of you, every one of you, for your service to the people of Davao Oriental. We have endured challenges, some of which we have overcome, and others are still navigating. I am confident that with our hands joined together and our collective determination, there is no challenge we cannot overcome in the years to come. In the coming year, let our commitment to excellence, service, and unity be the guiding principles that lead us to even greater achievements. May the blessing of Christmas be a source of inspiration, driving us to work together towards a brighter and more prosperous future for our beloved Davao Oriental. Malipayong Pasko kaninyong tanan, akong mga kaubanan nga public servants. Daghan kaayong salamat sa inyong pag-uban kanako sa matag hagit ug kalampusan, sa inyong kooperasyon ug sa inyong dedikasyon ug pagserbisyo sa atong katawhan sa tibuok tuig 2023. Mao to ang akong mensahe kaninyong tanan. Bago ko munaog, di pa malihugan man ko sa atong Local Finance Committee. Sir, tabangit ang kogampo diha. Di pa malihugan ra ko sa atong Local Finance Committee, atong mga provincial government department heads, inubanan sa pag-uyon sa ato ang mga sangguniang panalawigan members nga i-announce po sa inyo ha karong gabi una. Akong paspasan ni kay 5% na lang ang akong cellphone battery, no? Okay. Kay balo ko nga mauna atong gikahinaman. Unahon ako ang ato ang pamasko para sa ato ang mga regular, casual, appointive, o elective officials and employees. Para sa ato ang PEI or Productivity Enhancement Incentive, ang kada empleyado nga regular, casual, appointive, of elective will receive 5,000 pesos. Para sa tuang Collective Negotiation Agreement or CNA incentive, kada empleyado nga regular, casual, appointive o elective will receive 25,000 pesos. Para sa tuang PBB, kaya makadawat man daw tag PBB, performance-based bonus. Kanilahi-lahi ni siya, no? Pero ang computation ani 65% of the monthly basic salary as of December 31, 2022. I was informed, if I'm not mistaken, nga ang pinakagamay sa pinakaubos nga ranggo sa atong empleyado will receive 8,000 ang minimum. No? So, mo nang pinakagamay. Pero of course, katong mga dako na, taas-taas na, dako na po ito silang makuha. That's for our PBB. For our SRI, or Service Recognition Incentive, each employee, regular, casual, appointive, or elective, will receive 20,000 pesos. So, okay. Sa ato ang mga consultants, no? Ang ato ang mga, nawa na, kaniron. Sa ato ang mga consultants, each will receive, each will receive 30,000 pesos for our consultants. For our job order employees, basta ang imong kontrata nagsugod og July, no? So mauni siya kung August, September, dunay mga diferensya gamay. But for job order employees starting July of this year, each job order employee will receive 20,000 pesos. Okay na. So na ko'y nalimtan. Ay, Kaisa. Okay. On top of katong mga amount nga akong gisulti kaganina, kitang tanan empleyado sa probinsya will also receive 1 sack of 50 kilos rice. Okay? So, okay na, no? Sige naman mag-shagit din, ha? Okay na. Daghan kayong salamat. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year to one and all. And kay birthday man ako gahapon, wa man ko yung nakahanda. On top of the kanang mga premyo nato diha, i-arrange na lang ninyo ha. Events will be also extending total of 500,000 pesos for the raffle karong gabi una, no? So i-arrange na lang na sa ato ang mga events kung saon ninyo na. Daghan kaayong salamat ug maayong gabi kaninyong tanan.